front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 10 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling all the way down. Now tap on additional settings, languages and input, on manage keyboards and keyboard. Then you need to click on theme and tap on show more to see all available ones. When you're ready, you can click on one of those images, like that one. Click on the switcher next to keyboarders to turn them off or on and tap apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!